So, Tyler on Quantum, uh, as far as I can say, the world, as I've observed, has certain keynotes and quantum strings that, if in simulations theory are damaged or ruined, it's going to fuck the whole world up. The entire world is supposed to be is holographic type uh, quantum structure, you say, and these strings are tied together very intricately, and over time, how these things go through is pretty much biological keys. Uh, you know, yeah, literally, people don't think about it any day. It's turned to perversion. It's turned to smut. And nobody gives a goddamn fuck about anything. But really, down when you go back to the olden days and you look at the holiness of it, you look at CERN and you look at some of this subatomic bullshit and what the fuck all this other stuff is going on. And where I've told these cunts, I can't tell you how many fucking times I told them, but now it's really starting to get a lot more clear in terms of definition, um, why it is that way and what the ramifications are, and um, how they're either gonna run it right or they're gonna run it wrong, and if they run it wrong, it's gonna fuck the whole world to shit. If they run it right, they might get by. So, to me, I see this hackney, the violence, the gore, the blood, the mutilation, the torment, and the extermination. They're extinguishing certain strings, aka they're fucking up the structure, the atomic little things are, you're not necessarily seeing the world as in a globe or a space or a moon or a sun or a star, but you're looking at particles and photons and endless mass that expands, and it also does contract. So what we're talking about is in terms of rigidity and elasticity. Anybody that cures tires knows similar to what I'm talking about. I mean, it's a lot like curing tires, or which I actually did work in Tire Planet one time, and so. But for the sake of the world, I decided to come out and talk about this because the $10 billion contract went to Microsoft. Bill Gates is now the richest man. Jeff Bezos isn't. So we don't know. Like I said, I'm getting adjusted to Bill, and Jeff. I want Jeff to know that I'm here for him, and I don't want anyone to push him, because I have looked into his profile and I've done a bit of a. I've been fighting this cunt for fucking 3 years. I've been fighting this goddamn company for years and years and years, and I'm furious with this company. But I'm figuring out and I'm dialing it all in, and his goddamn motherfucking name, if it is even his real name, is Jeffrey Preston Bezos. And it really dawned on me, they're pressing the guy to death, and they're pressing the fuck out of him, and they're twisting this way and they're twisting that way, and they're contorting these structures, they're really pushing them to the limit, in terms of, okay, say one's physical sense, but you look into maybe possible other things. I don't have the goddamn money. I don't have the goddamn funding to research this shit. People will lock me in prison, put me in a jail cell. So I've had to go out here and try it out for the sake of this and those storms. And I got like, best case scenario, 27 years left of life. Probably going to be a lot less than that. So I just want to come out and say, this quantum shit now, I've been studying on it, and now it's almost second nature, because they say it's laws of nature, and it's really starting to trip me the fuck out. So I thought I'd share that with you, and I'd recommend that a lot of y'all like a quantum computer, chill out, for real, chill the fuck out for a minute, and guys are like, where's the fire? But they're not telling the firemen there's a fire. That's where, like I said, this dishonesty, this treachery, this bullshit, I hear it's coming to an end. And either way, whether it is or it ain't, you'd better watch out, and you'd better fucking guard your nuts, because the shit is possibly about to hit the fan. Take it easy.